Turkey has submitted a proposal to purchase 40 F-16 Block 70 Viper fighter jets and 80 F-16 modernization kits to the United States. However, until now the process has not received a bright spot from Washington. US President Joe Biden previously told Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan that all sales of US military equipment were procedural and required approval from the US Congress. Realizing that his desire was still met with a steep road, Ankara began to approach the UK to explore the acquisition of the Eurofighter Typhoon fighter jet made by a European consortium. Turkish Air Force Commander General Hasan Kucukakyuz, as quoted by Middle East Eye, last month visited Britain, the main producer of the Eurofighter consortium. He spoke with his colleague Royal Air Force, RAF, Marshal Sir Mike Wingston to discuss the possibility of acquiring Typhoon. Kucukakyuz also reviewed the UK Rapid Reaction Alert operating the Typhoon fighter jet. The Eurofighter Typhoon could be an interim option until we have the 5th-generation aircraft and the locally produced TFX in our hands. Of course, if we don't get the F-16s, a Turkish government source said. Turkey assesses, the Eurofighter Typhoon is a fighter jet with good quality and reliable. Turkey is currently still undergoing a military embargo by the United States regarding the purchase of the S-400 Triumph air defense system from Russia. Turkey was expelled from the F-35 program and all stealth jets that have been purchased by Turkey have not been handed over to the Turkish state. The Turkish aerospace industry was stopped as one of the suppliers of F-35 components for Lockheed Martin. Meanwhile, information circulated that the US was deliberately delaying Turkey's desire to get the latest F-16s until the election of a new Turkish president in June 2023. From the British side, it was reported that a spokesman for the British Ministry of Defence said Turkey was a NATO ally and an important friend to Britain. However, to be able to sell the Typhoon to Turkey, the officials said that there needs to be approval from Germany, Spain, and Italy as member countries of the Eurofighter consortium. Germany itself has often tense relations with Turkey, as Berlin has a traditional, cautious approach to Ankara's arms orders. Evidently, Germany is still blocking the export of several important materials for the Turkish arms industry.